Alright guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to play Loving Me by Jonathan McReynolds. It's a kind of complicated, advanced song, kind of some beautiful beautiful chords there. Okay, so I'm playing the key of C, and so I'm going to starting with the intro of the song, which kind of on the pentatonic rundown scale. Okay, so when I'll do for one, all right, for one octave, will apply for the other one. Okay, so it's a so it is so la mi, so la, so mi, re mi, re do, so la, so mi, re mi, re do. See, you continue with the trend. Okay, continue with it. So la, so mi, re mi, re do. Okay, that's all. Okay, so okay, this is so while doing that, you play 6 with your left. Okay, now where it comes okay, this we have a G, E. Okay, this E, all right, this E major chord. Okay, this, remember this E major chord. Okay, now when we take the inversion, okay, the first inversion is this. Okay, so this is it. We play with our left. So okay, we play the 6 with your left. Okay, E major. Okay, go to C major. C major. Okay, you start with this is the inversion, okay, of C. Now you add the 9, added 9. Alright, go to this augmented, okay, this augmented second, okay, this is our second, you augment it, okay, and when you do the inversion, you come up here, okay, so okay, E major, C major. Alright, see this Z at Z augmented. Okay, okay, go to the 4. 4. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, all right, so I take it, and so kind of that's about all about the intro. Okay, okay, so I do okay, do it again. Okay, now okay, the same chords, E major. Okay, while playing the C major. Okay, Z augmented. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Okay, the song now itself. And 4, and 1, and 5, and 2, and 4, and 1 inversion, and 5, and 2 inversion. Alright? You see, the same chord. E major, Z augmented. Alright, now, alright, I added F minor. Alright guys, I hope you learned something. That's all about the song. God bless you. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Sharp.